Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to install new mirror caps. I bought some black ones from AliExpress. You can see I got the white ones. So yeah, like that. So first thing is I'm using this. You're going to pry it here and around and you pull it off. So I don't know if I can set you guys somewhere so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I think that's good. So first things, you pry here and you keep going around till it pops. Okay, so you have 4 of these. So you just go around. Do not use a screwdriver or anything metal. So you scratch it. Now we're going to replace it. I hope that's good the way I set it up. So let's see. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. Now, okay, I don't know what you guys think. White or black one? I don't know. Kind of like the black. So we'll see. Okay, so this is I like these better than the white ones. So, and they're pretty cheap. I think I paid 25 bucks at the AliExpress. So I'm gonna order some carbon fiber too. So just to see, because I have the black X5 I'm working on. See how these gonna look. But let me know what you guys think. All right.